Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can possibly fix the issue if your Sonos Arc is not connecting to Wi-Fi, and there can be many reasons for it. But what you can try to do is first uninstall the app and install it again. This is the first step. The second step, maybe you need to reset the Sonos Arc. So what you need to do is this. First, unplug it. So first unplug it from the device, and then what you want to do is you just want to hold the join button from the back. And while you're gonna hold the join button, the connect button, you just want to put it back in. You want to put it back in, right? So you're gonna hold it first, and then you're gonna put the cord back in. Then the white light is going to change to orange. It's going to like blinking, and then you just want to release the button. And then you can reset the Sonos Arc, and possibly this is going to be helpful to you. So I just wanted to make this quick video, what you can try to do. So first uninstall it and install it again, and then what you can try to do is just turn it on, like press the connect button, the join button, and then put the cord back there. So this is something that you can try to do, and maybe it's going to be helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.